Hey, dummy. I can't believe it licked up. See what it says in that concrete? Tom was here. You get it?
No, that's not gonna work. Use that to take the hook out of his mouth. What? Use the needle nose pliers to take the hook out of his mouth.
Hey, you almost have your limit. You need 2 more.
No, he's only got 1.
I know, that's his. I'm not taking any home. I got enough fish in my freezer. Fucking freezer's almost full.